I'm not here for y'all's nonsense where you can come and yell a narrative and you want to come and push it on me. First of all, doesn't mean because you made a live, it means you must come now and attack the person because the first person laid out a story. It doesn't work like that. That's not how life works. I work my own job, 8 to 5. I'm a senior network engineer. I don't take any handouts from anybody. That's one thing. And besides, big brother people, they don't work. They got no stable income to even get a car. So tell me how you can afford this car here without going through the proper channels. If you don't have a permanent work, you can't get stuff like this. I'm telling you now. I'm here where I am, and I'm in that same car I paid for. Sitting nice, sitting pretty. I do not cheat with Ashley. I read out my statements plenty of times for you all to come with that bullshit. And now because you're hearing shit, now you're gonna come for me. Now you got time to play. You got time to play. I can see you all here in your comments here talking. But you'll know who the father is. So don't come now and then come and talk all over balls and say I was claiming someone when I already made 10 statements already that I'm not. So don't come and talk balls. Yeah, you can vote for your clowns there too. Because I'm not from Big Brother. I never come here for Big Brother. I came here to support family, people who I care about, people who care about me. So anything else, I'll stand for it. And other people's mothers is not my mothers. So it doesn't mean I must now bow down to them. It's respect. Respect goes both ways, not only one way. Now, because you can insult me and all that, you're going to come and make it like, hey, Shion's a bad person. You don't know nothing. You don't even know how the whole situation started. It's all about money. About money. I came to defend Ashley because I saw where the narrative was going. Yes, Ashley gets money from her fans. Doesn't mean it's coming to me. But there's family members who want half of that money. And then when the things are tight and they see the water's not watering anymore, they want to come and throw their toys out the court. And then they want to come and bring other people into the stories. That's not how life works. We move forward here. Yeah, we can respect our elders, but respect goes both ways, bitch. As I said, I'm not in Ashley's house. I got my own house, my family, I got my own family. I'm here to support. I'm here to support. I didn't sway anybody. But when respect goes out the window, I'll also lose respect. Don't come for my image and when trying to tarnish my image. That's why I will get defensive. I don't sway people's mothers. I'll talk properly. There's no need to talk. I didn't go to school to only use swear words. I went to school to learn. I went to school to be where I am today. I'm fucking almost 30 years old. I got no time for stupid things what you're going about here. Like you all, yeah, man. You all got no lives, most of you all here. You're just gonna come with a narrative. Of course, a person says jump, you wanna jump. Doesn't work like that there. And I'm not gonna stay away from anyone if they're not gonna tell me to stay away. So if you wanna stay away, you should do that there. Family, yes, this Ashley's family matters. But I'm not here to defend anyone else but Ashley. So please, I'm not coming here and making it seem like anyone is doing something they're not. I'm not here to play games. This is life here. We're messing with people's brands, with people's lives. Not just stupid people that we just think, oh no, they just another person on the street or just another influencer. No. People go and they work for what they want. And I'm here to support that and make them grow and get better. I'm not here to come and be in their spotlights. I was never wanted that. And that's why I always stayed in the back. But now you want to make me come to the front because why? You got to itch somewhere. You keep on scratching something when you don't even know what to scratch. And you want to come and say, oh no, I'm a drug addict. It's nice you can always point fingers and say someone when they tell you with facts. So you try and belittle them by saying stuff that's not even true. We can go for a drug test. My family posted Kenzo. They wanted to be there for Kenzo because then we know what the situation is. My family will love him regardless of what everyone else thinks. We are family. That's what family does. That's what family do. Mama, whoever else came out and whatever happened was because of her own situation that she done. When you lose control and a bit of control, you want to throw your toys out the court. Life doesn't work like that there. No, it doesn't work like that there. Yeah, family fix things. All families fix things. But when you do certain things, there's no coming back from that. And this is not starting from today. This is starting from a few days ago. But because now one person does something, you'll come with a narrative. You don't know nothing. I'm taking accountability. Huh? Which mother goes on live and then goes and tarnish your daughter's child, and yet you wanna come and say I'm a person who's wrong? You're all mad. A whole lot of you'll watch BBM for 24 hours. That's why you're going crazy. You must find something better to do instead of watching your seat and voting for people that when they come out there, you wanna be in their lives and they don't give you nothing. They don't give you nothing, but you'll run after them. I'm there for people who I care about, who I support, who I know for years. I'm not here for people.
Kicked out of Ashley's house. I've been kicked out like a dog. So my house is all squatted. I have guys moving beds in. My stuff was thrown out on the streets. She brought us here to Joburg, and now she has kicked us out of her house and nobody believes me. She's publicly humiliated me and my children. She's called us dogs, but everybody thinks I'm just lying because of an altercation that I had last night with Shion. Yes. There's my mop buckets are spilling because of an altercation I had last night with Shion regarding sweet Guluva's baby. So Shion feels that sweet Guluva's baby is his baby. And I called him out on it. And I confronted him and I told him that it's not his baby. Because he sits and watches porn the whole day and he feels that sweet Guluva's baby is his baby. And it's not his baby. What mother am I to, what mother am I is if I'm going to sit back and just watch things roll and watch Ashley take control over our lives. I mean, we were rooted in Durban. We were living lovely in Durban. And she brought us to Johannesburg to look after her baby because she is a celebrity. And on our arrival, we were met with goodness and love until Shion came into the picture. And now he's chucked us out, threatened to take cars away from us. We are cramped in a 3-bedroom flat, which we are struggling. My husband's not around. I don't know what to do. Everybody doesn't believe me. Now I'm in a struggle. I am really in a struggle, and I will let South Africa know about this. I have dogs that must come to a flat where dogs are not allowed. I'm embarrassed by neighbors. I'm embarrassed with myself for allowing a child to ruin my life. I am just over it. My sponge is thrown out of Ashley's house. Cars are getting threatened to get taken away because I called Shion out that he is not the baby's father. And he didn't take it lightly. He swore at me. He cursed me. Ashley watched him. She didn't answer. Now my jewelry, my belongings, because I came a month ago and I stayed with Ashley and I looked after the baby for 6 weeks. So she has chucked all my stuff out on the streets of Johannesburg. So I am stranded. I have a truck and a guy bringing my stuff to my house. And guys, my children aren't in school. I'm screwed. I didn't know this can ever happen, that your own child can do this to you. Unfortunately, we don't even have a car. She's taking everything back with police and stuff. So you guys think I'm lying. I have no reason to lie. I've never lied to you guys. I've never been rude to you guys. I'm just showing you what children can do. So beware. This is what children can do. And I feel like dying. I feel like my life is over. I just feel broken, torn apart, defeated. But in any case, I guess I'm paying for my own sins. It's a personal matter, but it hasn't become